Hi, I'm Michael McHugh, and this is my Tech 2.5 bike check. Let's start with the G Sport back wheel and the Colony Clone back hub. Got a KMC half-link chain, proper Magnolite sprocket in blue, Odyssey twisted pedals. I got the Odyssey Elementary V3. I like it. It's worked good. Got blue brake cable. See the blue seat, blue Shadow Conspiracy seat. Odyssey Path tire, Odyssey Anakin tire. Then the front, I got a plain black rim with just a regular fit hub, and then I got the Shiv forks, which I like. And that's my bike.